On the ceiling fan.
Down. Chaco, no.
Uh-oh. Go
What?
ahead, get him. There's the other one. Chaco. Oh, Chaco.
Be careful, don't bite hard. Chato!
Oh, you're busted. Just live with it. Just saved you from being eaten by dogs.
Isn't the top not closed up here?
Oh.
One bird down, one more to go. It thinks it's sneaky. I can see it though.
Where is it?
Behind the thing full of bottle caps.
Maybe you can trap it better that way. You gotta get over that. I'm gonna keep doing it. I had to grab the other one even though it screamed. I didn't want to.
This one will bite. I know this one. Hey. Don't make me grab your tail. I'll do it.
What surprises me is there's no cats anywhere.
I know, right?
So I'm wondering if somehow he got up there and did this. Roxas, maybe he jumped from that.
Yeah, that's what I think happened because I saw like Roxas run this direction right before it fell.
Well, at least that would explain it.
Hit the wall again.
Someone's behind the TV.
You can't tell me that you can't feel the energy.
He's gonna fall in that water. No, he won't fall in the water. I'm kidding. Shit. Sorry. I need to pull up your feather. Oh,
Let me see him. I need to film this.
there. Behave.